Did you know that 95% of the Fulanis that you are seeing in your village, we always used to pay your traditional rulers before we landed into your village? But some of you guys don't know anything about it. But seriously, any Fulanis that you can see in your village, or any Fulani that can spend like 1 to 3 or 5 months in your village, I swear to God, they used to pay your traditional rulers. So we used to pay them money before they will allow us to stay like 1 to 3 months in their places. But if like you just pass, they will not collect them. But if we come and spend like 3 to 4 months, we must pay them. So I know some of you guys don't know about it. So we used to pay your traditional rulers. Serious about. I see so many people are saying we are going around with in the bushes that we did not own. Which I say we used to pay for it. Actually, your traditional rulers, I swear we used to pay them. If we will spend like 1 to 2 to 3 months, we'll go and find them. We'll give them money, they'll collect. Before we will stay. So stop saying we are going around with our cows in your bushes and we're not giving you guys anything, which it is wrong. We are paying. I say, Zam.
That Fulani boy said that before Fulani people will carry their cow and enter our forests, that they settle our traditional rulers. That is our traditional rulers that give them permission to carry their cows and enter our forests. The Fulani boy is right. And that is because they are paying our traditional rulers. No be today we start to hear that story. Come Anioma land, make you see how Fulani people and their cow don't surround our forest finish. If you come to the communities in Oshimili North local government area of Delta States in Anioma land, Fulani cows don't food their forests. Bushes for Oshimili North where be say 7 years coming, farmers for that community, now that bush they go cultivate their crops. Fulani herdsmen don't carry their cow, put lane for that place. If you dey inside bush like this, you go see Fulani people, their cow don't pull lane. Cow not they finish, you go see like 200 cows, 300 cows. They roam about for our bushes. Farmers for Anioma land, they go there inside their farm. Fulani people cow go they pass inside their cassava. We are blaming the government, yet our traditional rulers are one of the major problems that we are facing in Igbo land. This thing is not only happening in Igbo land, it's also happening in other tribes and ethnic nationalities in Nigeria. But I not get time to talk about other people. I'm only talking about the one that is happening in Igbo land. If you go to Anioma local government in this Anioma land for anyone, Fulani cow don't food their forests. Inside all their bushes, now Fulani cow food their bush. Fulani cow don't put lane for the whole bush where they for anyone land. How they take carry their cow enter is because they have paid the traditional rulers of those communities. I not just want to mention the names of those communities, but they know themselves. If they watch this video, they're gonna say, nah, them are they there. I not just want to call the name of any community. If you come in cow land, the same thing. Cow everywhere. If you come Ukwane land, Ukwane people talk say, they no want cow for their communities. But instead, some big men for Ukwane land collect money from Fulani people, allow Fulani people to roam about for their bushes. If traditional rulers not be our problem, now big men where they for our communities be our problem. There be big man and so anybody who speak against them, they go come they see the person as the bad egg for the community for speaking against evil. If you speak against big man for community, you don't become bad person. This is what is happening in Anioma land. I don't know if it's also happening in other parts of Southeast. And they talk of the one where they happen for Anioma land because I'm aware of this. The whole country is bleeding, suffering from Fulani herdsmen, bandits and terrorists. People they pursue Fulani people and their cow come up from their community. People they talk say they don't want to see Fulani herdsmen again for their community. But instead, some traditional rulers they collect money from Fulani people. Some traditional rulers don give Fulani people land inside bush to dey stay that place as their camp. People where the whole country dey talk say dem no good, say dem dey slaughter people, you carry land give them inside bush. When we say that kingship is not a good system of government, some people go think say una not just like kingship. The relationship between 80-something to 90-something% of kings and their people is the relationship between a slave master and his slaves. Some kings go give one stupid order, put one stupid law. Nobody for him community go fit challenge and tell am say this thing where you dey do so e no good. Instead, all of them go obey because they are slaves to their king. Your culture and tradition determines if you are a slave or not. Come Ukwane land, we forbid kingship. Now why we go tell you say kingship not be better thing, na evil thing. But as we dey talk now, you go see some people wey be say they get kings for their region. They go tell say, you are saying that kingship is evil. This, that. They not go talk about the reason why they talk say kingship not good. We say we no want Fulani herdsmen for Anioma land. Some kings they collect money from Fulani herdsmen. And when those Fulani herdsmen go start to slaughter people for those communities, their kings not go fit talk. If you come to Anioma land in a community where the people say that they don't want Fulani people and their cows in their community, after that month where we say the matter dey hot, where we say Fulani people don't carry their cow comot, months later you go see Fulani person carry cows dey waka for the community. If boys come out come ask am, who give you order to carry cow waka for this community, the Fulani person go tell them say na their king get cow o. If you come to Anioma land, if you see Fulani people carry cow, if you dey ask those Fulani people who get this cow, they go tell you say na the king of this community get am o, na the king of that community get am o. For this Anioma land, na this thing dey happen. Those cows are not owned by those kings. Wetin happen be say, as e be say people for all those regions talk say they no want cow, Fulani Alhaji them go meet all those kings. They will come tell all those kings say make those kings dey talk say na them get cow, but not be them wey be kings get the cow, na them wey be Alhaji get the cow. They go find the king small money. That is the only way for Fulani people to keep their cows in those communities. You got to ask yourself, wetin concern our kings with rearing of Fulani cows? Can't they rear Igbo cows? Abi we no get Igbo cows for this Anioma land. If you go to Obuluku community, their king gets cow where they train. Those cows are Igbo cows. When I went to Obuluku Palace, I see cows, the full palace, very big and fat cows. Those cows are Igbo cows, not be Hausa Fulani cows. If to say our traditional rulers for Anioma land they rear Igbo cows, say now our people for Anioma land that they put those cows for their care, we go say yes, now our own be this. But this one, Fulani person carry cow, they roam about for community where to say they don't want cow again. And they talk this thing because now wetin dey happen for Anioma land be this. For Ukwane land, we thought say we don't want cow. Some big men from some Ukwane communities where call themselves politicians, they allow Fulani people to keep cow inside bush. The cause of insecurity in our land is from within. Now our people from inside, they give Hausa Fulani bandits and terrorists the leg to terrorize us. If your people don't say they don't want cow again, you don't even need for your people to talk. As e be say na Fulani herdsmen, bandits and terrorists, they slaughter people all over the country. It is expected of you to put a ban on open grazing. Any Fulani person will say no go fit rent land for community where people go dey see am. Then putting cows for that place, they feeding cows, they buy feed, they feeding cows. Make that Fulani person carry him cows, come out from that community and go back to the north. Igbo people in northern Nigeria are not living inside the bushes there. They live inside town, they do business. Northerners not going to ever come and tell you say, hey, well, Igbo people are killing Northerners in the bush. Igbo people are raping Northern women. Igbo people are slaughtering Northern women. You not go hear such a thing. But if you come to our land, Fulani people not only inside bush they commit all sorts of atrocities. Those Fulani herdsmen where they see, they go carry cow, they pass for Asaba, they pass for Ibuzo, they pass for Gwashuku. they are not different from those Fulani people that are slaughtering people. How many times you don't see Fulani herdsmen, bandits and terrorists kidnap Fulani herdsmen where they rear cows? You go see community where they talk say Fulani herdsmen they kill them. Oh. If you enter inside the bush of that community, you go see Fulani people, their wife and their children, they that place as camp with their cows. They don't do that place for most years. You don't ever hear say Fulani people they kidnap people for inside that community, they carry them enter bush. You don't ever hear say those Fulani kidnappers kidnap those Fulani people there for that camp. They go enter that camp, whole AK-47, they go see their Fulani people, they go greet themselves finish. And our work be this so kidnap, you know. In fact, they even know what thing that they do. Because all of them are one people. Now their work. They don't share work. Go and deceive the world that you people are peaceful Fulani people. We they terrorize the community. Our agenda is to collect their land. So those Fulani people where they see, they feel say they are peaceful. They are not peaceful. They are the same with those ones that are killing and slaughtering people all over the country. If you are from Anioma land, you know say your king allow Fulani people to carry their cow, they walk up and down for your community. Make una go meet una king, tell them say, una no want make Hausa Fulani people and their cow there for una community again. Your kings are your problems, but many of una don't know. If we talk now, you go see some useless people go come for comment section and say, look at the way he is talking to our traditional rulers. You are a slave to your traditional ruler, you don't know. You did that they defend traditional ruler where they take your life, they play politics. Una thought say una don't want Fulani people and their cows again for una community. For una back, una traditional rulers collect money from them. Cow is still roaming about in your community. Kidnapping everywhere in any land. If you come in Kaland, you're gonna hear of kidnapping. If you come in one land, you're gonna hear of kidnapping. All over the country, kidnapping. Fulani herdsmen don't know the whole bush where they your community. Person where know your bush pass you, know your house pass you. Person don't need to enter inside your house to tell you say you know the whole community. You don't know the whole community by staying inside town. Once you know the bush of the community, then you know about that community. You know the in and out of that community. Now what you know these Fulani people they do? That's why if they invite their brothers who be terrorists, their brothers go operate, go freely. Because those ones where they walk inside bush, they don't know the whole road, they know in and out. So all those Fulani people you see, they go just carry stick, they move about with cow. They're not different. They know themselves. They are not different from the terrorist Fulani people that are killing people. And Anioma people, tell your traditional rulers that you don't want Fulani cows in your community. Any Fulani person want keep cow for our community, make he rent land for where una they see. Carry him cows put for there. They carry food, they go give them for there. If the Fulani person not go feed one, make he carry him cow, go back to the north. Our people in the north are not living in the bush. Our people in the north are not killing Hausa Fulani people there. A word is enough for the wise. Ishiagware.